everybody, it's me, Madison. Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a first impressions on the viral TikTok foundation that everyone's been talking about. The KVD Good Apple Foundation. So, I've never really used Kat Von D at all. So, it's kind of like a first. And so, it's vegan. And that's all it really says. Apparently, the packaging is recyclable. That's what the packaging looks like. Okay, this was like $40. This was almost $40, and this is what you get for the packaging. Which, not that I'm like picky or anything, but I just feel like it could be a little bit better if you're paying $40 for one foundation. So yeah, but that's what we're going to be reviewing today. I'm just going to be doing a simple little eye look too to go along with it. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to be doing my eyes first. So I'm going to start off with my eyebrows like always. And so I just like wet my dip brow to let it soak a little bit. But I always outline on my eyebrows with a pencil just to get the basic shape of them. And then that just gives me like the general shape, and then I go in with my dip brow. And I haven't done dip brow in so long. Just like that, and then I'm gonna blend that all in. Ignore how orange my hands are. I just realized how bad they were, or how bad they look on camera. They don't look like that bad in person. Okay, so after that, we're gonna start with the actual makeup. I mean the eye look. So I'm gonna be using the Alyssa Edwards palette by Anastasia Hills, or Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, so I'm gonna get this and I'm just gonna buff that in to my crease and all that. I know what I'm going for in my head. I'm gonna get some black rolls too and mix that in right here. But I really want that orangey tone to pop through. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of a cut crease. So basically, I'm gonna get my concealer and I'm just gonna okay, so then I'm gonna set that with headliner, which is a white eyeshadow. So then you have something like this, which is kind of basic, but then I'm gonna get Brick Road with my finger, and this is this bright yellow, and I'm just gonna put that over. Ooh. Ooh. Gotta save it. So now that we have the yellow, I have to do the other eye. So I have to finish the rest of the eye makeup after I do my face, just because of how it's working out. So I'm just gonna go on with my face. So that's where we use the foundation, which of course I'm gonna prime first. I'm just using this Pearl Primer. I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on, which I'm using the KVD lashes I used in my last video because I'm obsessed. They still have glitter on them from the last ones, but we're just gonna ignore that. Okay, so next I'm gonna do the foundation, finally. So here it is. I'm in the shade medium 27, and I'm gonna be using a makeup brush because everyone else says I'm using the Morphe brush, and it looks so smooth. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna get it. Ooh, I just ruined it. So I got some on my brush, just like one little. Whoa, that's not my shade. Oh no. But do you see that coverage already? I'm gonna mix this one too. This is light something. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna like use what I have on my brush, which I just dipped it in a bow. It just feels really creamy. And I'm gonna go with my sponge because this is ridiculous. And it doesn't feel heavy at all. I can just tell y'all it ain't my shade. Okay, so now I'm gonna set this. Hopefully I can salvage this. I'm really hoping. I'm using the Huda Beauty powder. I'm just gonna pat in the powder everywhere. Man, this is light. So now I have to do some major contouring. I'm not a fan, but I'm not a fan of full coverage. Okay, so now I'm gonna contour. I'm using this Too Faced contour, the chocolate one. Now I'm just going to finish up my eye makeup because I wasn't done because I had to do all this first. I'm going to get this. I'm going to get the Dream It, which is a royal blue. I'm going to put that right under my lash line and smudge it out. So then I'm going to go with some inner corner highlight. So now I'm going to do blush. So now I'm going to put some highlight on. I'm just going to be using my ColourPop one in Flexitarian because I always use this one and I love it. And then I'm gonna put a gloss on. I'm using this Pure by Barbie, like their Barbie collab. So overall, I think the foundation is pretty good if I actually had it in my color. But other than that, I think it applies really smoothly. It's not like it's like full coverage if you use a brush. Blending it out with the beauty blender made it like lighter, so you can kind of see my freckles, which is good. I like that, but I just had to do some heavy contouring if you saw that. And yeah, so overall I would give this foundation like a 9 out of 10 because it's definitely buildable. It's definitely like you can definitely lighten it up with the beauty blender. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little makeup look I did with the KVD foundation. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time on Miss Number 12. Bye!